Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This video that is just belonging to my series of videos about my journey being to be a full stack developer, and more specifically learning the full stack development technology with the certified full stack developer curriculum proposed by FreeCodeCamp. So in today's video, we are going to build a quiz game. So I've been learning JavaScript for a while, so I'm already at step 200. I've already done 204 steps, so it remains me again more than 500 steps. So nevertheless, today we're going to build a quiz game. So this is a quiz game, and I'll try to build it under 30 minutes. So hopefully this time I will succeed to do it. So nevertheless, now let's go on and build the quiz game following these user cases. So let me put the time. Okay. The first step is you should try and create an array equation. So first equation. I don't know if it's an empty array. The question array should contain at least 5 objects, each having a key category, keys, category, questions, choices, and answer. So an array should be like this. And inside an array, there should be 5 objects. So category, comma, question, comma, choices. What am I supposed to do here? Comma, and answer. So that's just at least 5. So copy, and yes, there should be a comma, paste, comma, paste, comma, paste, comma, paste. So 5 objects. The category key should have the value of a string representing the question category. So the question key, blah blah, the answer, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that means I have to generate all these questions. So let me just ask ChatGPT to fill in the blank spaces, so I don't have time to waste. So ChatGPT, where are you? Yeah, mine. Now, please ChatGPT, I want you to fill in the blank spaces. Spaces in the array. I think our ChatGPT is very intelligent, so good. Thank you very much, ChatGPT. You're that a nice guy. So I just learned recently a trick. If you want to go back to the first tab, you just control 1. Though you hold control, that is, you hold control and then you press 1. So now paste it. So these are my questions. Object, sorry, math, science, geography, history, and English. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Mr. Washington, we greet you. Thank you for all the great job that you did. So, 3 category keys should have value of strings representing questions categories. Question key should have the value of the string representing question. Choices key should have the value of an array Okay, choice is an array of 3 strings. Okay, normally it's 3 which are alternative answer to the question. 1, 2, 3. So normally it's supposed to be 3 strings. Choices, so let me just reduce it. Let me not reduce the answer because here is 8. Okay. The answer you draw, what is the capital of France? Array. History, who was the first president? Thomas Jefferson. No. John Adams. Is it Adams with economics? The father of economics. The right guy is George Washington. English, which word is the synonym of happy? Joyful. Just an easy quiz. Containing 3 strings which are alternative answers to the question. The answer should have the value of a string representing the correct answer to the question, and also the value of answer should be included in choices array. So that's joyful, George Washington. Here, just highlighted Paris, Mars. I think that's where Elon Musk wants to go. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, so done. The next step is to, I think, to create a function. You should have a function name, get random question. So, function get random question. Question. That takes an array of questions. So the parameter is argument or parameter. Yeah, parameter. Questions of question as parameter and returns a random question object from the array. So that's where we have to learn how to return random questions. So I think we're using an array. We should first of all determine randomly how index of an array. So let's just say let random index, which is equals to, I don't know again the math. I think that should be math bold floor, something like that, but I'm not that quite sure. So let me just create another tab and say random index in array JavaScript. Stack Overflow, the best. So how to get random items from items, blah blah blah. What's the best answer? Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Copy. Go back, Control 1 to go back to the first tab. Paste it here. Okay. Mad random times items. Okay, sorry, items learned. Does it? So it will be here questions learned. Write this bird, and now you will give. So what's the array? The array is question, and it will just return statement random. Will just return the object at the index, run at random index. So that's just the thing. I think that's correct. We save it. Let's always save it. So let me just close it. Okay, done. The next step is step 8. You should have a function named get random computer choice. Okay. What do they mean by random computer choice? Copy it. in braces and put it down. That takes the array of the available choices of as a parameter. So okay, now I get the choices. Uh, and returns a random answer to the selected question. So that takes array of available choices. So this one, yeah, and returns a random answer. How come a random answer? Okay. A random answer that is in the choice here to the selected question. So maybe this is a question here because they say the question array. I think that is made out of 5 objects. So let me just think about it. This step 8. Take some water. It's very important. Stay hydrated. So what I'm about to do here is to look how I can do these steps. So let me just do it quite fast. That takes the array as a parameter and returns a random answer. So I want that the same technology here. So choices is the array, the same logic here. So I'll just run a parameter. Normally, this is a local scope. So if you want to know more about local scope, just Google it. This array, this variable is local scope. So blah 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 length of choices. So now we have to take the length of the choices, generate a random index, and get a random answer. So let's read. So that's it. Blah blah. Get random computer choice that takes an array of the available choices as a parameter and returns a random answer of the selected question. So we are already, if we take a now my problem is to the random of the selected question. So I think now it's okay here. So the last step, you should have a function named get result. So function get result that takes the questions object as the first parameter. So question first parameter and the computer choice as a second parameter. How will I name it? Let me just say computer choice. The second parameter. That's the reason why we're creating this get random computer choice. Second parameter, the function should return the computer's choice is correct if the answer is correct. Otherwise, it should return the computer choice is correct. The correct answer is where correct answer is the value of the correct blah blah blah. Okay. How should I do this? Let me think. So if the function is the function returns the computer answer is correct if the answer is correct. So if answer is correct, I'll return the string. Let me just copy the string first. Okay. Else return with this literal template. Sorry, literal template. The answer is wrong. Blah, blah, thing here should be $sign. Okay. So now let's say this thing again. Now we have to get random question. Okay. Get random answer. Okay. So let me just check these steps and see if I know. I'll correct them after. So let me just try and have a correct, try and see if my understanding of the problem is correct, and after I'll just test. So before going to the test, so at to get result, it's been said that get result takes equation object here, this one, and a computer choice. Okay, a second parameter. The function should return if the answer is correct. So here is a computer choice. No, sorry. How should I do it? Get random computer choice. Okay, if computer choice, but if I take okay, I see how I'll do it. So I will just like get random computer choice. Question is the object, and I will access. No, sorry. Also, I will first of all get a random question. No, if is the question. So I'll get random questions. So I'll first of all get random questions. Okay, give me a question. Now from this random question, I'll get a random. Okay. So let me just say let random question be equals to get random questions. Okay, get random questions on what should be here. And normally the question as object. Let me just look at it here. Parameter. So question, get random question. Okay. This random question should take in the array questions. Okay. Afterwards, I'll take the random question and determine the choice. Try and get the random choice of the computer. Check if it's correct. Should be correct. But what? Oh, okay, I know. So okay. So here is supposed to be question. Get random question will take the questions array. Now after doing that, we get the choice of the computer. So let computer choice be equals to this. Okay, that's right. So we have the computer choice. Normally it's supposed to highlight here what's wrong. Don't just copy. I don't want to know what's wrong. So don't just copy and paste. It's still wrong. I don't know why it's wrong. Why is it wrong? Why is it not wrong? Why is it not highlighting? So I just okay. I know the problem. I declare another function. So that should be the error. Right, the parameter. And sorry, I will declare. No, that's wrong. It's correct. It's not still highlighting. So we'll solve it later. So question goes to blah blah. Computer choice. Okay. Now, if the computer choice is correct, so we have to know the correct answer. So we have to do some comparison with the question. So we have to check if the equation won't answer is strictly equals to, it should be a string, so because it's always answer here. Answer, yeah, is strictly equals to computer choice. No, it's highlighting. It's been highlighted, sorry. I mean this one. Choice, okay. If so the question answer, because here is a question that has been taken. We want to check if the equation is equals to the computer choice. If it's true, if it's not true, the computer choice is wrong. The correct answer is the answer of the verb. So I will just pass in this verb answer. Yeah, that's it. So I'm pretty confident. I don't know if it's correct, but following my logic, I think that I have it. We have it right. Now let's just test it. Let's run test. Okay, I have some errors. Let's just test the errors are better eliminated EM. So from 1 to 9 I have it correct. The last one is wrong. Maybe it's because of this get result function. I don't know if I have to do it like this. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. So yeah, I said it does not make sense. It doesn't make any sense. To really clear, no sense. So let's rerun it again. Okay. You should have a function get result. So S done. Correct it again. Your function get result should take the equation object as the first parameter and computer's choice as the second parameter. Where? What do you mean by it? Does it? I did it. So let me just see the computer choice. I don't know. So let me just go to 12. If the computer choice matches the answer, gets the result. Gets the result equals to. Okay, that's the idea. I just took the value. No, there's a problem here. Now I understand. There's a problem here. So because if I want to call, I'll call it the specific value. So if I want to say, for example, get result. Sorry for the spelling. So get result. I'll call it the equation. So maybe I'll call this get random equation. Yeah. And to get parameter choice. So I'll take the choice. So how do I check? Oh, okay. So I don't need to do this. No need to do this. So if they just take the equation, point answer is equals to computer's choice. What's the computer's choice? Computer's choice is this one. So get random choice. The choice is normally the choice is being that's it has been returned here. So choice. So it is return. Good. I did it in under in less than 30 minutes. Sorry. Now it's 6 minutes. It was almost 7 minutes. Let's just say 7 minutes. So 30 minus 7 is 30 minus 7 is 23 minutes. So thank you for watching. This was really interesting to do this project. See you guys in the next video. No, sorry. If you have any comments, I really wish that you should subscribe. Subscribe, leave a like button. It really pleases me. I'm really glad when I see such things. The last time, let me just show you guys a comment that really pleased me. That I was really happy to hear about. So YouTube, yes, my YouTube channel. So it was just like a guy.
For me, with my constitution, what I value most in myself, almost.
Lately, I received this comment under my latest video. This one. This one. So I was really happy. So there was a comment. Wait, what is this guy doing here? It's a problem with YouTube. I'll just rerun it. Okay. I just want to show you guys the comment that really pleased me. And the sun up there kill my face. So here's the video. And the guy just said, I was really happy. Let me zoom it. Where is it? Yeah. Comment section. Okay, when we zoom in, we don't see the comments again. Just zoom it. I don't know why it's slow. So here's it. Here's what I want to show. I like your video, man. Please keep doing because I'm trying to do this. When I read this comment, I was really happy that it's helping you. So thank you. I hope that you guys will subscribe because we still have enough videos to do. So that being said, thank you for watching. I see you guys on the next